The manufacturing industry encompasses the production of goods from raw materials, components, or parts into finished products. Manufactured products range from everyday consumer goods to complex machinery and equipment. This industry is characterized by a series of processes that involve design, engineering, assembly, quality control, and distribution. There are many varied job roles in this industry. Manufacturing engineer. Manufacturing engineers focus on optimizing production processes. They design and implement systems for efficient manufacturing, ensuring cost effectiveness and quality control. Production supervisor. Production supervisors oversee the day-to-day operations on the manufacturing floor. They manage production schedules, coordinate workers, and ensure that products meet quality standards. Machinist. Machinists operate machine tools to produce precision metal parts. They interpret blueprints, set up machines, and monitor the machining process to create components with high accuracy. Welder. Welders join metal parts using various welding techniques. They interpret welding symbols, operate welding equipment, and ensure that welded joints meet structural and quality standards. Mechanical technician. Mechanical technicians assist in the installation, maintenance, and repair of mechanical systems and machinery. They may be involved in equipment assembly, troubleshooting, and preventative maintenance. Logistics coordinator. Logistics coordinators manage the movement of materials and finished products within the manufacturing facility. They coordinate shipping and receiving, monitor inventory levels, and optimize supply chain processes. Industrial designer. Industrial designers create the visual and functional design of products. They work closely with engineering and marketing teams to develop concepts that are both aesthetically pleasing and practical for manufacturing. The manufacturing industry offers a wide range of job opportunities across various skill sets and expertise levels. Hotspots for job roles in the manufacturing industry are industrial estates around the country. City hotspots include Sheffield, Bristol, Milton Keynes, Cambridge, Nottingham, and London. Certain areas may specialise in different manufacturing processes or the manufacture of specific products like cars, for example. The UK is ranked 8th in the world for manufacturing output. This is impressive as it's such a small country in comparison to countries higher up the list like the USA and China. This shows how many job roles there are and will continue to be in the manufacturing industry. There are a number of entry-level roles in the manufacturing industry that don't require degrees or technical training, including assembler roles. They can offer on-the-job training.